Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to easily add keywords to photos on your iPhone and iPad. Keeping track of a growing photo library can become rather difficult, especially when you have thousands of pictures covering different people, places, events, and projects. Fortunately, adding keywords to your photos can make organizing and finding specific images much easier. Instead of endlessly scrolling through your library, you can use relevant words to identify and locate photos more efficiently. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to head over to the image in question. After that, you have to tap on the tiny info icon located at the bottom. Then you have to scroll down a bit and tap on Add Keywords option. After that, you have to enter all the relevant keywords. Once that's done, make sure to hit the tick mark located at the top right corner of the screen to confirm the action, and that's all there is to it. Adding keywords to photos can be a simple yet effective way to bring more organization to your iPhone or iPad photo library. By assigning meaningful words to your pictures, you can make it easier to identify specific images without relying solely on dates, locations, or automatically generated categories. This can be particularly helpful when you regularly capture photos for work, travel, family events, or creative projects. Once you start using keywords, consistently searching for particular photos can become much more convenient. You can create a system that works for your needs and use descriptive terms that help you quickly identify the content you're looking for. So, if your photo library is becoming difficult to manage, adding keywords can be a useful step toward keeping your collection organized and making your favorite memories easier to find. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it in order to keep your photo library in line with your taste. And I'll catch you up in the next one.